Metro by T-Mobile now supports eSIM technology, offering a modern digital alternative to traditional physical SIM cards. Understanding what an eSIM is and how to activate it will help you get connected faster and easier. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card that's built directly into your phone. Unlike a physical SIM card that you insert into a tray, an eSIM exists as software and provides the same network connection to Metro by T-Mobile. To activate a Metro by T-Mobile eSIM, you need three essential requirements: an eSIM-compatible device, a network-unlocked phone, and a Wi-Fi connection during the activation process. Metro by T-Mobile offers 4 convenient ways to activate your eSIM: online through their website, using the My Account mobile app, calling customer care, or visiting a physical store location. The activation process typically involves scanning a QR code provided by Metro by T-Mobile. However, if a QR code is not available, you can manually enter the SMDP Plus server address and activation code. Once you begin the activation process, your device will display setup prompts like this one, guiding you through completing your eSIM activation for Metro by T-Mobile service. Remember to ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi throughout the activation process. With these fundamentals understood, you're ready to proceed with activating your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM using any of the available methods. To activate your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM, start by opening your phone's settings and navigating to Network Connections or SIM Manager. Look for the Add eSIM option in your device settings. On iPhone, this will be in Cellular Settings, while Android devices typically show this in SIM Manager. When prompted, scan the QR code provided by Metro by T-Mobile. Position the QR code within the camera frame and wait for it to be recognized. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and activate your eSIM. Your device will display a setup confirmation dialog to complete the activation process. Test your eSIM activation by making a phone call or using mobile data to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter activation issues, try these troubleshooting steps. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, update your phone's operating system, and restart your device. Be aware of important limitations. Metro locks devices for a period after activation, which can limit your ability to switch eSIM lines or carriers. Additionally, Metro may deprioritize data speeds after you reach approximately 35 gigabytes of usage.